Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reboot your iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, this process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. Each iPhone doesn't have a built-in reset button, reboot button, and how to do it then. We just need to simply power off the device and then manually turn it on. But first we need to open up the power menu. We do it by clicking volume up, volume down, and then the power button. Just like that, but I have held the power button for not enough time. So volume up, volume down, power button, just like that. Now we are in the power menu. And now all we need to do is to simply slide to the right side to manually power off our device. Just like that. As you can see, the screen turned off. And why is it even worth to perform our reboot? Let's say that we have some problems with the apps that they don't want to launch, or it takes really long before they open. That is the moment where we can perform a reboot to solve those problems. During my use, I had situations like I tried to open one of the apps and I didn't want to launch. So I have performed a reboot and everything started working. Also, when we reboot our device, our phone rests, we can say in that way, the RAM gets freed up and it also might help with the performance of our device. Alright, now our device is turned off and now simply hold the power button to launch it and the phone will be ready to use. When the Apple logo appears, we can release the finger from the power button and now simply wait until the phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.